Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I made last minute Christmas favors and wanted to share my idea with you. These are personalized ornaments guests will find on the table at Christmas dinner with a Christmas illustration on one side and a name on the other. It's an easy and quick process, especially if you already have the materials for this project and they are so cute, I bet everyone will love them. I used PowerPoint on my laptop, my sewing machine, my mini iron, ribbon and a cabot, it's a cotton fabric, baking paper, a friction pen, scissors for paper and fabric, pillow stuffing and a bowl. I also used transfer paper on an inkjet printer and illustrations I purchased from Creative Market. The collection is called Classic Christmas and it has lots of watercolor images you can use alone or combined. First thing you need to do is create a file on PowerPoint and I will show you how to do this in 5 easy steps. The first step of course is to open PowerPoint, create a new blank document, delete everything you see on the slide and set the slide size. I chose the A4 paper option since this is the size of paper where I'm printing on. Next step is create a circle. I will change the size to 11 by 11 centimeters and remove shape fill. I will make 2 more copies of the circle as 3 of them can fit in one page. And now I am ready to insert my pictures. I'm gonna browse my computer. I know I saved those files on my desktop. I will show you how to do an image at a time or how to combine 2 pictures or more. I need to resize my pictures and place them inside my circles. I can now remove the circles and arrange the pictures in order to leave enough space between them. I should also mention that if you right click on the little slide on the left of the screen, you can duplicate the slide or add a new slide. And if you want to add text, you simply type in one of these boxes and customize your text from the font tab over there. Now that my file is ready, I can save it as PDF. The PDF file opens automatically and if everything looks good, you can send it to the printer. For printer settings, you have to follow the instructions given with your transfer paper. Don't forget to print mirror image and on actual size. Make sure you print a few more pages because you will definitely need to test your transfer paper before proceeding to the real thing. Cut around every image, leaving a margin of 5 mm. The bowl measures 15 centimeters. I used it to create even circles on my fabric and then I cut around with my scissors. I decided to make hanging tabs, therefore I cut fabric at 6 by 6 centimeters. After some testing, I came to the conclusion that for best results, my mini iron should not be set at highest temperature. I need to press for a minute and remove the paper when it's cold. Not hot. Hot was a disaster. I'm done with the paper transfer. I must tell you that I am very happy with the results. I find these amazing. They have the vintage feel that I was looking for since the beginning. And next I want to sew a decorative stitch around each one of my ornaments. This is where I will sew in order to attach the two pieces together, and this is where I'm sewing for my decorative stitch. At this point I am cutting these threads here because if they get caught up they will probably cause a damage. And I kept sewing until the stitches overlapped a little bit. I love them. In order to make the hanging tabs, I will fold in half. And then fold the two halves in half again. I sewed the hanging tabs on one side and I probably should have done it at the other one as well, but I honestly don't have time for this, and by accident of course I have already sandwiched a few of them without even a single stitch. I need to place the hanging tab on the center top and the other two pieces good sides facing together. I will start sewing about here all around the ornament and stop here, leaving a gap of about 6 centimeters. While I'm sewing, I need to see this point at the end of my fabric. In order to secure the tab, I will backstitch a few times while I'm sewing over it. I used pinking shears in order to remove the bulk that will be created after I turn the fabric inside out. Now I can easily pull the hanging tab and turn the fabric inside out. I need to push with my finger in order to straighten the seams. and admire this amazing result. In order to close the gap nicely, I will draw the circle with the friction pen and mark where my stitches are going to be on both sides. I will cut the excess fabric and I'm ready to add the stuffing. I close the gap with a ladder stitch and use the iron to remove the red marks from the friction pen. I cut 2 ribbons at 50 centimeters. The one is for hanging and with the other one I made a bow. And just like that, my ornaments are ready. I made 12 of them and I really can't decide which one is my favorite. They are so cute and easy, don't you think? I hope you do like them as much as I do. Please hit like if you did, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I hope I'll see you again soon. Bye!